In this video, I will show you how to make money watching videos. This is our results, $132,256. This money came from all these clicks from real people who clicked our links because they loved something we did. And I'm going to show you step by step how this happened by watching videos, and these clicks turned into money. Again, I am not going to show you, just like other YouTubers, a bunch of platforms who pay you for watching videos, because those platforms will waste your time. They will show you videos that are not useful, not helpful, not funny. And a lot of times you will watch hours and hours of videos making pennies. But I am talking about money like $132,000. And you will have a lot of fun along the way watching videos. That sounds good? So stay tuned, because this is new and nobody else is sharing this with you. We are sharing for a reason. We believe that the more we share, the more we make. And this is what we do. We have fun learning, watching about stuff, and then we take those information and put those information in our artificial intelligence software and make videos using this software. Epic allows us to make videos without using cameras and microphones, because yes, we love cameras and microphones, but cameras and microphones is not a scalable process. It takes a lot of time. Shooting multiple times, editing those videos using expensive full-time editors, editing softwares, exclusive computers. But with Epic, everything, all this time, effort, and cost is replaced. Epic makes videos using image and text and copy paste. Epic turns any text into natural sounding voice over, so we don't need to speak with microphone when we use Epic. We built Epic to have our beginner team members, or literally anyone on the planet or any freelancer, and our customers to be able to make videos without video creation skills. And here's the best part. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. And I'm going to show you how we watch videos, take those video ideas and make videos and make money in a moment. But before that, let me share a copy paste method of using Epic. So where were we? Epic writes scripts for us using artificial intelligence. We copy text from anywhere and go to the text generator section, copy any text from any website, just put it here and use any of these buttons, and Epic turns them into natural sounding voiceover. Epic allows us to make bite-sized videos right here, and let me share how easily it can be done. Let's say we found an awesome article about how to start your online jewelry business in 10 steps. Oh, by the way, there is another training about how to build a profitable jewelry store in the description. Go take that free training. But for this video, I'm going to copy this text, and I'm going to the text section and click this copy and paste text button, then put text here. I will do a little bit of formatting to make it nice like this, make a couple more paragraphs, because every paragraph will become each section. Look at this, how it works. Click submit, and immediately all these sections on the right hand side has been created. And just click on one and look at this. The first paragraph is here. You can enlarge it, make it bigger if you want, text formatting, make it bold, give it a different color, different font. And of course, you can take this text and turn it into natural sounding voiceover. Add the voiceover right here in this clip. Go to the next clip, and the next paragraph is here. And here is what we do. We watch fun videos, interesting videos on YouTube. And let's say we want to take a screenshot from here as an information or an educational material or something that we want to share with our audience as a video. Just copy it, go here, go to the image section, click Ctrl V, upload, and we can add the image here. Then we can talk about this image. We can add more text, add more design, or just keep it simple. Then make as long video as we want. We can add our own voice with our microphone if we want, or upload the voice over audio file if we already have saved in our hard drive. And when the video is ready, we are happy with the information we want to share, we simply click render, and the video is rendered and prepared in the background background. Then we get an email notification. We download the video, upload it on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. In our videos, we ask our viewers to click the link in the description, in the bio, in the first comment. They love our information. They click our links, and from those clicks, we make money. Super simple. So yes, again, we watch videos, but from those videos, we learn stuff, we have fun, and we save those fun information in the form of notes or screenshots or text, copy from anywhere, make as many sections as we want, use our AI to rewrite stuff if we want. Doing all this using Epic, yeah, Epic is free, link is in the description, go grab it. We do all this using Epic while having fun with our video watching, and then publish this information videos on YouTube and ask our viewers to click our links and buy from us if they choose to buy. They buy, we make money. They love our information, they love our gesture of sharing helpful information, and that's why they come back to our videos more and more. Did you like our video? Was this informative? Is giving away our secret information and our own software good? If yes, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, social media timelines, because when you are sharing this helpful information with others, so others can also learn and make money online, get access to our softwares, they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is what we do, and you can do it too. Now you might be asking, where are so many jewelry store or jewelry stuff that you can sell and make money? First of all, you don't need to sell. You just need to make fun videos and ask your viewers if they want to buy. There is a link in the description. In the first comment and in the bio, you'll get clicks on your links and automatic sales. Don't worry, even if you have never sold anything. Go to Amazon and you will find 300,000 jewelry related products. Go to Etsy and you will find far more jewelry related products. Almost everybody is selling and everybody is making money. If you source these products from a supplier and sell directly using your own store, go ahead, do it. And for that, I recommend using our store builder application Grants. Link is in the description. Grants is better than Shopify, cheaper than Shopify, and it has all the important features that you have to buy as extra add-ons if you use Shopify. And for all those add-ons, you have to pay monthly or annual recurring fees for every single add-on. But with Grants, all those important add-ons are already included. You just start your store and start selling either your own jewelry or jewelry as an affiliate. Of course, all the links are in the description. Epic is free to start, Grants is free to start, links are in the description, and there is a free training on how to build your profitable jewelry store in the description. That's it, we literally gave away everything in order to be able to start making money online. And this is stable and scalable process. This can work for you for a long time. A video, an information video you make and publish on YouTube and other social media or video channels, they will work for you for a long time. But the methods other YouTubers are sharing, that you can just watch videos from any other platform and make some money, those are not scalable. They will waste your time. So grab all these wonderful resources we are sharing with you, use this strategy, start with jewelry or any other niche of your choice. You can also choose products from JVZoo and Warrior Plus or ClickBank and follow the same exact process by having fun watching videos and turn them into your videos using Epic and make money. Hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one.